Dear Amazon seller, stop wasting your time in listing your products manually or creating child parentage relations manually. In this video, I will show you how professional sellers list hundreds of products with multiple variations and multiple variation themes in bulk in just minutes. First of all, you need data of your product like title, bullet points, description, all the features, images, and then you can add those details in a feed file, in a bulk file just to store as a data. Then you need to go to your account and download a template. So this is account. So consider it, this is your account. You need to click on menu bar, then you need to click on catalog, and then you need to click on add product. Then spreadsheets, and you need to click blank template, download product spreadsheet. From here, you need to choose product category. Whatever category we are selling, you need to choose. Let's say it's anything XYZ. We have chosen this category. Now we will generate the spreadsheet. That's it. The spreadsheet is generated and it's downloaded. Now we will add all the data in this spreadsheet. First of all, you must have all data. You can prepare. These are the things you must have before adding data, before starting this process. And you can arrange these. Even sometimes sellers have this data already, or they might have a Shopify store, or they do have a backup data plan and they are launching their business on Amazon. They can have hundreds of thousands of products. They can have bulk sheets and they can just copy and paste their data and arrange according to this feed file. So let's proceed. This is the feed file. It have SKU, then it have listing action. If we are like updating or creating a listing, then we need to choose item name, brand name, obviously product ID type like UPC or SN. If they are listing first time, obviously it's UPC. Then recommended browse node. It is according to the category in which we are listing. So it's this. And then we need to add value to all these sections. There are two important things you need to remember. First, don't miss any red cell. Any cell which is red, you have to add value. Otherwise, it will not process. Whenever you upload your listing, your file, Amazon will give errors. The second thing is the parentage for sections. These three sections are very important, like parentage level, either it's child or parent. Consider you are listing a product with tens of variations. So all the variations will be child, and then you can choose child, and in front of the parentage, you can choose parent. And to define the relation, which childs will gonna display under which parent, we will choose the relation here, parent SKU. So it is just like a name of the parent. If there are 10 childs, they have one parent, we will add the parent SKU name here. Amazon automatically link these all childs with the parent SN. So one child, or one, you can say one SKU, could be the parent or it could be a child. It never possible that a single SKU can be a parent and child. So you have to be very careful about these columns. And then variation theme. Obviously, if we are listing in a double variation theme, as I shown you in the start of the video, if someone have multiple variation themes, then he have to choose the variation theme accordingly. Like you have five colors and you have three sizes, then you have to choose variation theme as color and size. So in this drop down, you can have multiple variation themes according to your requirement. We can choose anything. So now you added all the data. The final things you need to review, there are two major things. The first was the red cells, make sure all the red cells are filled. The second is the parentage relations. This is very tricky and important because you are listing hundreds of products, you have tens of parentage, tens of variation families in the same file. What you can do to remember, you can color each variation family, like this is one variation family and this is another variation family. You can make them separate according to the families, just to remember. And now we need to add their parentage. Like This is the section these are showing. These are childs and this is the parent. What is the column name? Parent SKU. So when we list our product, this child, this SKU will gonna be a child of this parentage. So you have to add the parent SKU. It will have their own row as well. If you already have a parent and you want to combine new childs, then you don't need to add a parent row. But if you are adding first time, then you must add a parent row. The placement, the order didn't ever matter. Like here, I added these five parentage because in the file, I have five parentage families. So this is the SKU of the parent. What I will do, I will copy this parent SKU and I will place it in front of the child's that belongs to this parentage family. And now this was the relation that you have to be very careful. And the third thing, you have to add another row for the parent if this is not already present in your catalog. Obviously, parent title and all the details you have to add accordingly, but you don't need to add anything in the column of parent SKU because, as I mentioned, one SKU could be parent or child as its parent, so it didn't have any other parentage. Another important thing, if you already have a parentage relation, but now you want to add some more variations or you want to create a new parentage, you must delete the previous parentage. A child can't go under two different parentages. So these are the things you have to careful while adding data in this feed file. Once you are done, you can upload this feed file back to your account from where you have downloaded this. Click on the upload and then upload your file. So it will process. Once processed, I will submit. That's it. It won't take more time if you already have data in your backend. If you don't have any data, you have a Shopify store, you can download the data from there. If you're already running any e-commerce store, you can download the data from there, or you can prepare a backend, a database that can have all of your data. Because once you have a database, it will be useful for you for life. And yes, I got one more point for you. While listing your product, if you are listing as FBM, then you have to choose fulfillment channel as default. And if you are listing as FBA, then you can choose as Amazon NA, North America. So this is the differentiating in FBA and FBM. So I tried to cover all the things. If you have any questions or confusion while listing your products on your Amazon account, you can contact with us and we will assist you to list your products efficiently and grow your business. Thank you.